Fartcoin clearly not ran out of gas just yet. So we're going to look at Fartcoin quickly in this video, and damn, this thing is up, right? There's a lot of coins that are just going parabolic at the moment. Check out crypto bubbles, for instance. Look at all these altcoins. ETH is up $1,000 on that 30-day time frame, which we absolutely did call in my Discord. So get yourself down below there if you want to make more money in this market. It's free to join. Like I say, here are a few wins or people inside the Discord. And what is going on in Fartcoin right now? Because this is parabolic. This isn't your everyday sort of crypto show, you know. From 95 cents on the 7-day period up to $1.30. On the month, we saw lows of 53 cents, now at $1.30. Of course, if you dollar cost average at 21 cents, you're up 6x. So the risk to reward ratio was absolutely there. But I don't know if we will see Fartcoin absolutely get back to an all-time high of $2.1 billion. But we're actually less than halfway there. Also, it's hard to say whether this market right now is a bull trap or whether we're seeing serious conviction that we're actually going to start seeing these highs also start to, come back in. Now, what we can see from Fartcoin is the optimal time to buy was down here when the relative strength index was around sort of 35, 40. And what we're also seeing now is that the RSI is starting to creep up to these higher levels where we're seeing, a bit of greed, a bit of overboughtness, which could also suggest that the upside potential is diminishing versus the greed and the parabola that we are seeing. So we're still quite away from the all-time high of $2.74 on this exchange, which is down 49%. And I will also say that this pattern right here is a macro rising wedge. So this in itself is technically a bearish pattern, this rising wedge. We're also getting rejected at $1.34. Now, I don't know, we might actually invalidate all this, TA stuff, all this analysis stuff, just because the market wants to keep going up. And when the market consolidates for 2 weeks, like it did, we do see impulsivity and indeed a lot of volatility. So there's a few key areas, got some very nice support at 72 cents here. But yeah, at the end of the day, guys, I mean, that was a massive 48-hour pump. We've also got loads of support written in at around this region here, which is 93 cents. So I do hope we get sustenance. But personally, for me, I will not be aping in at this particular point. And the reason is just simple, because it's too risky. It's too risky to chase these green candles for me. And also, guys, we already bought in a little bit lower down. We used the trend wave indicator, which is our new indicator. You can find it down below. Crypto Legend Patreons will also receive this indicator for free as part of the package. But look at this. We entered this trade literally here when it signaled to go long at $1.04, and we're up very, very quickly, 31%. So like I say, Discorders are winning. If you want to get the trend wave indicator, it's also down below. You can see some people are making incredible gains every single day from all over the world. Some big money here. But, remember, guys, it's not financial advice and nothing in the blockchain markets is guaranteed. Fartcoin, 77.5K followers, and they are starting to tweet out and, get a lot of attention, captivate their audience because they know that they are now one of the most mentioned cryptos across the crypto space. You can see they're really, really looking good here. According to this particular Lunar Crush analysis. So yeah, looking strong, looking good. Lunar Crush looking also nice. So I don't know. That's a crazy amount of mentions right there, though, that's for sure. Well, so we got very quickly the Waygu Cash ecosystem launching tomorrow. New Solana memecoin launching tomorrow after 5 p.m. GMT time. This could be that next 10 to 100x Solana token that nobody wants to miss. 1 billion tokens here, guys, on the supply. The LP is locked, built for long-term conviction. The last time this team did a token, it did 50x from when we called it at the bottom. So yeah, super, super bullish. They'll be launching very soon. All of this is organic growth that they've gained, 5,000 plus followers in just a few weeks' time. And what we're doing for the crypto legends is that, those guys have said that the crypto legends or, these alpha communities are going to get the contract address a few seconds before the general public. So you can check out the Waygu Cash Telegram down below. However, if you do want to get that CA earlier, we've got a page here or a channel in my Discord called Waygu Contract Address, where hopefully we're going to drop it a few seconds in before. So if you want to check out the crypto legend membership and, you could even make some gains that's enough to pay off the whole month tenfold. At least that's what I'm really hoping will happen. And, to make you guys some bucks out there, that'd be absolutely insane. Do check it out. What else we got that's hot in the market? We have Mind of Pepe pre-sale, $8.9 million raised. Also going to launch very soon in 21 days. If you're looking for a new Pepe alternative ICO that could do very well by the time it goes live and launches. Look no further than this token here. I am extremely bullish. I think it could indeed do well. Minder Pepe looking nice. It's an AI agent ecosystem and ICO. And look here, in under 30 days, the pre-sale phase of Minder Pepe will end. Are you prepared to enter mine? So there'll be a link down below where you can also check out this coin here. And I think is potentially going to do also very, very well. Not financial advice, of course, and nothing in this video is. So quickly, Fartcoin is on an absolute rally, and it's hard to say whether this will keep going up. I think, you know, for me, just seeing a coin do 6x over those few weeks and months, it's hard to justify buying into it. So that's why I probably will avoid and sit on the sidelines and just enjoy the trading side, only if the indicator does call for us to do so. So yeah, TradeWave down below, check it out, x1wave.com, and you can see here the different plans and pricing. So monthly $27.50, or become a crypto legend patron and get everything anyway, all the trading signals, all that juicy stuff included, complimentary, and the indicator will be basically free in this instance. So usually it will be $27.50, but we're bundling it in with the Crypto Legend tier on Patreon. And yeah, guys, we're so excited. So much is happening. We've got Waygu Cash coming tomorrow. So get in the Discord down below. Minder Pepe happening soon. The market is looking more green. And if you are someone out there that needs a new exchange, or a bit tired of wearing the same pair of shoes, check out KSEX. They might have some juicy bonuses for you right now. Sign up in seconds. No KYC required. It's my favorite exchange because the fees are the lowest, and I'm just a simple man. I like saving money everywhere I possibly can. So check it out. Globally accessible, like I say, really hot exchange. We'll see you soon. Subscribe, like, comment, stay crypto safe. Bye.